No. Shut up. Listen to me, you little bastards. What did you do to you? I know you who took my walnut pizza yesterday from party. No, not me. What the heck? What the heck? What the
Si
heck
Carl
is
dito,
wrong?
ba't hindi ko makikita ang si Carl? Saan si Carl dito? Hindi ko makikita. Ito ka?
Hindi.
Nandito yan. Saan ka to?
Daddy, ito yung classmate ko si Stephanie, oh.
Ikaw, saan ka?
Lang ako dyan.
Hindi ka pumasok?
Nakapasok.
Nakapasok ba't wala ka?
Not me too. Not me. Yes, me. What the heck is wrong at you? You don't get back my pizza or you will get shot. What the fuck? What's wrong with you? You shut up. Don't talk to me like that. Shut up. Bro, Stacy wants to get to treatment, to Melon Sandbox treatment. What did you say? Oh, no, nothing. Tomato, get back here. What did you do to my pizza? No, what the fuck? What did you do to my pizza? I was nothing. She is. You even hurting and what? You even betraying. What the heck? Now give me my pizza. Ow! Get back here. Ow, what the Bro, what the heck was that? 4 kids has been died for this month. Yeah. It was investigating for the dead bodies. Yeah. It was in location in Calgary. Yeah, it was a Calgary to dead bodies in there. No. What the heck? What the heck, you bastards? What the heck, you bastards?